to change into condolence. I knew that I had to push on through, but all I could do was just cry. A week-long trip down memory lane, guilt enough to drive me insane. I knew that I had to push on through, but all I could do was just cry. Give me some time, please don't go. Take me by the hand and show me why you're not here, why we're left here all alone. Give me some time, stay for a while. Even in my dreams, come show me how. How are we supposed to rise and move on when I see the lilies? Memories start to kill me. Who knew that then was the last of you? Now I ponder the answers too. Give me some time, please don't go. Take me by the hand and show me why you're not here, why we're left here all alone. Give me some time, stay for a while. Even in my dreams, come show me how. How are we supposed to rise and move on? Give me some time, leave me alone. I just need some time to realize that they're not here and we're left here all alone. Give me some time, it's been a while. Even as the months still pass on by, we're still learning how to move on.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down and you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannon